an equation to find the distance covered during nth second. Suppose a body initially moving with velocity u and acceleration, uniform acceleration a. After t time, it reaches at b where velocity is v and during distance covered during t n time n second, during n second is equal to s. If the distance covered during first n minus 1 second, n minus 1 second is 1 minus second is s1, then distance covered during last second is s2. s2. First, understand the meaning of nth second. Suppose a body is moving. Suppose the distance covered during first n second, equal to 50 meter, 150 meter, and the distance covered during first 9 second equal to 100 meter, then the distance covered 10 minus 9 equal to 1 second is 150 minus 100 equal to 50 meter. That is 50 meter. To find the distance covered during nth second, we let this distance is equal to s2, then s2 is equal to, or s, it is better to take s, s1, s2. S is equal to s1 minus s2, s1 minus s2, or use formula un plus half an square minus n minus 1 plus half a n minus 1 का स्क्वायर. Using u s is equal to ut plus half at square is equal to un plus half an square minus un minus u plus a by 2 n square minus 2n plus 1 un plus half an square minus un minus plus u minus plus minus a by 2 n square minus 2n plus 1. 1 by 2 an square plus u minus an square by 2 minus minus plus an minus plus minus a by 2 half n square cancel, an minus a by 2 u plus an, u plus an minus a by 2 s is equal to u plus say 2an minus a u plus 1 by 2a by 2a 2n minus 1. This is equal. This can be taken as fourth equation of motion or distance covered during nth second. If necessary, then you can study it or you can use only this formula to get the solution of any answer. Next we will take other topic on next day.